Vultures are back here at the Pioneer Press's new headquarters, kind of airing themselves out. We got a total of 4 right now. Oh, we have a new record. We have our 5th. There's number 2. 5 turkey vultures now lined up outside our window, obviously to complain about our lack of deadline coverage of Muhammad Ali's death on Friday night, which we made up for on Saturday. But this is a new quorum for them. Actually, they're probably just waiting for us to release Souchere's column for the day. Say hi, boys. Or girls. We're not going to check which is which.